Today, come and join me to crochet the matching scarf for the open fan beanie that I recently uploaded. I will be using a size I 5.5mm crochet hook and a 3 button. This button will be for the closure, and it measures 1.5 inches in diameter. Okay, and I will be using the same size of yarn, which is number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. Okay, to begin, make a chain of 31. Okay, I have the chain of 31, and for the first row, we're only going to use the back ridges. So this is the front and this is the back. We're going to use the back ridges only, okay, for this row. Into the fourth chain from hook, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. At the back of the fourth chain from hook, we are going to make 1 double crochet. Now we form the first V-stitch. The skip 4 chain is counted as 1 double plus chain 1. So now we are going to skip the next 2 stitches, and in each of the next 2 stitches we are going to make 1 V-stitch in each. Okay, the V-stitch will be 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So skip the 2, V-stitch into the next, and V-stitch into the next. Okay, now we just form the first 2 group of V-stitch. Okay, first group of V-stitch I mean, and we're going to repeat this. Skip 2 stitches, 1 V-stitch in each of the next 2 stitches. Can you see it, guys? Okay, now repeat this across. 1, 2. Go ahead and repeat this across. Don't forget to skip 2 and then 1 V-stitch in each of the next 2 stitches. Skip 2, 1 V-stitch in each of the next 2 stitches. Is it clear? Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 group of 2 V stitches. Okay, and to the last 3 stitches, the remaining 3 stitches, I mean, sorry, my tongue is starting to get twist. Okay, at the remaining 3 stitches, we're going to make 1 V stitch into the very last stitch. Skip the 2 stitches, V stitch into the last. Okay, now this is how the work look like. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6 group of 2 V stitches, 1 V stitch in each of the side. Right, guys? Okay, for the next row, make a chain 4 and then turn your work and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch as chain 4. Now we have the beginning V stitch, and skip the next 2 double crochet. These 2 double crochet, we're going to skip that, and in each of the next 2 double crochet, we are going to make 1 V stitch in each. And then skip the next 2 double crochet again, 1 V stitch in each of the next 2 double. Repeat this across, skip 2 double, 1 V stitch in each of the next 2 double across. Okay, to form the last V stitch, skip the last 2 double crochet and make 1 V stitch into the third chain of the turning chain 4. And then make a chain 4 and then turn your work. This is the work look like. Now, for the remaining rows, we are going to repeat this last round that we just finished until you have the measurement of 34 inches long. And don't forget to begin each row with chain 4 and then 1 double crochet into the same stitch as chain 4, and always end your row with V stitch into the third chain of the turning chain 4. Alright guys, go ahead and repeat this last round until you have the measurement of 34 inches long, and I will meet you for the next round. Okay guys, I finished my 34 inches long. I cut my yarn and waved the tail of my work, and now I am going to show you how to connect the buttons. For the buttons, we are going to place it here, here, and at the center. Okay, go ahead and join the buttons, and when you finish, I will show you how you are going to style the scarf. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how to style the scarf. First, the first style, bring both sides at the center and then close it. I don't have a camera stand here, so I'm just using one of my hand to demonstrate, and the other one will be holding the camera. It looks like that. If you want, you can just leave it at the center and it will look like this when you put it onto your neck, or you can pull it aside on the side, left side or right side, and it will look like that when you put onto your neck. Okay guys, for the next style, bring this, fold it like that, and then bring the other side here. Sorry guys, the camera is going everywhere. Okay, and it will look like this on your neck. When you close it, put this under, and once you close it, the button will appear on top. Okay, it will look like this on your neck. Okay, like that. It will look like that when you put it onto your neck. Okay, and the other style, you can twist it at the center, twist it like that, and then let the both side of the scarf meet at the center, and then close it, put the button, and at the front of the scarf, this is an infinity cowl. Alright, this style is an infinity cowl because there is a twist at the center. Alright guys, okay, these are the styles that you can do to this scarf. So thank you guys, I hope you like it, and thank you for joining me today. For the link of the Open Fan Beanie, I am going to add it into the description box of this scarf. And if you have any more questions, just leave a comment below into the comment section, and I will try my best to respond as soon as I can. Okay, thank you for joining me guys, and see you again for the next video. Bye bye.